Hey guys, Shane from Tier 1 Precision again. The next thing we're going to be doing on the Remington 870 Tactical Shotgun project is installing this mag tube extension from Nordic components. It's just adding one since this is a 18-inch barrel. That's all we really needed. Basically, it comes with the tube and the spring, and you want to swap. The spring is actually, I think it comes, you get a 45-inch spring, and obviously you don't need it to be that long, so you have to cut it to length. And I've already done that. But I'll show you guys what you kind of need to do on this. So we're going to move down here. We're going to get this off. Take the cap off of this, and this obviously gets replaced. And to get the other spring out, you're going to need a screwdriver for this one, and you basically just stick it in there, turn it a little bit, and it will come out. But just make sure that you don't let it pop out on you. Okay, so the cap on the end of that you want to save, and you can save the spring if you want to go back to the shorter tube or not. And like I said, the spring that comes with the new mag tube will be very long. So to measure it, you put it in all the way, and they want you to have 16 inches sticking out from here of extra spring. So I've already done that, and they want you to also, when you get it, it's not going to be flat like this, so you want to bend it back to where it's flat, so it doesn't interfere or get caught on anything. So then we're going to just stick we're going to stick this back onto the end, and this is the tricky part of getting this back in the shotgun without it coming off, obviously. So you want to go ahead and put this back in. So what you want to do first is, I've gone ahead and taken this apart to make it a little bit easier. Put this on first and tighten it up, and that way the barrel won't accidentally slide off either. Just go ahead and tighten that up as much as you can, and then push it in. That way it's a little bit further that you're working with as well. Alright, so we're almost there this time. Alright, so I think we got it now. Alright, we got it. And then you just want to tighten it all the way up, and that's basically it. And that's for, like I said, this is only a +1 mag tube, but just to give you an idea. If you had a longer barrel, this one's only an 18-inch, so we only needed the +1. Alright. And that's it. That's all you have to do for that. Go ahead and give us a like and leave some comments at the bottom of the page. You can check us out at www.tier1precision.com. Thank you.